Hello, my name is Lee Punnett. I'm the quality manager for Republic Manufacturing. A little over 2 years ago when I started, the company was making a big push to become ISO 9001 certified. Throughout the last 2 years, we have basically revamped our quality system. It's no small undertaking, but it really validates internally as well as to our customers externally that we have stable processes that ensure continual improvement throughout the company for years to come. Some of the largest challenges that we always have is just change. Everybody does in the company, is that they have to slow down a little bit to do things the right way. This is not something I made up. A lot of people believe quality managers make up things and you have to follow those rules, but if we follow this, we will be better. And all the employees, they bought into that. And that's the big turning point of everything, of becoming ISO certified. What I'm most proud of in this certification is the guys that you don't think are paying attention, or it's the new hires, or the guys that you would perceive as being in the lonely positions in the company. We had a couple of them come out and just blow me away by the answers that they gave the auditor, and it was something that they necessarily weren't even trained on. I was really, really happy because they understood what it was about and came up and were happy to answer the questions. It was that moment of the pride in that those guys took in being in this company. The second level that would be is how well everybody adjusted. Once we said, hey, we are going to do this, everybody said, okay. And everybody was ready for that change. So I'd like to really wholeheartedly thank all the employees of Republic who helped during this whole process. I have a great amount of respect and honor to go through this journey with all of them. I get a lot of great jobs for what I did, but it's not what I did. That certification for us, it validates everything that we do internally. Now it's validated to ourselves that we are as good as we say we are. And it speaks volumes to the company.